Opening and closing kits are packages of essential supplies and instructions provided to election staff to help them set up and shut down a voting location. Both tech and non-tech polls have their respective kits, 4 in total. Let's take a look at the tech opening and closing kits. For tech polls, you will receive an opening and closing kit for tech, which are identified with mango circular labels titled Opening/Tech and Closing/Tech. Inside the opening tech kit, you'll find 5 pens and scratch pads, 1 tape roll, 5 magnifying devices, a calculator, 25 black Sharpies, a language guide, a poll record, a separate envelope, each for declined ballots and canceled ballots, 2 sheets of scrutineer's identification, and 2 Vic envelopes. Inside the closing tech kit, you'll find 4 unused ballot seals, an official tabulation envelope, and 2 accepted ballots envelopes. If any items are missing, please contact ROSN for support.